Assalamu alaikum, children. So, today we are starting a new chapter in your global course book, that is transport system, right? That is the new chapter in your global course book, right? So, in this chapter, we are going to learn about, right, the different types of transports, the modern transports and the ancient transports in our history, our ancestors, right, the transport system they used, and also the modern transport. Okay, and also we are going to talk about some road signs here, right, like traffic signals, right, like that. We are going to also learn about some road signals, road signs. Okay, so let's move on to the chapter. So first of all, in this first page in the chapter, right, you can see there are several different types of pictures of uh, vehicles, right, transport systems, modern transport systems, right. We are talking about modern transport system. So I can see that first picture, it's a bullet train. Then we have bicycle and bus and a river taxi and a metro station. So these are some of the modern transport systems pictures, right. And also, right, in next to that, right, you can see in the blue color box they have given several types of transport systems like car, van, bus, bike, train, taxi, tractor, speedboat, ship, raft, canoe, plane, tram, motorbike, snowmobile, lorry, helicopter, tuk-tuk, scooter. Okay, so the speedboats and speedboat is speedboat and ferry. Yes, speedboat, ferry, and canoe. They are the transport system that are used in water. Okay, and snowmobile is used in snow, right? And we have a helicopter which is used in air. You all know that, right? So we can talk about several different types of transport systems we have, right? Modernized one. Now suppose you take the bullet train given in that picture. So bullet trains are the trains which is conducted by electricity. There are no drivers. Okay, it is driven by the electricity only. Okay, so these bullet trains are so, like, modernized and built so that it will travel so fast, and it can travel up to, like, more than 1500 kilometers. Okay, these bullet trains, they are so fast. Similar to bullet trains, there's another type of train, that is metro trains. Okay, metro trains also similar, but it is not fast. Okay, metro trains are not fast as bullet trains, but bullet trains were invented after the metro trains only. Okay, very recent inventions. Then we have a river taxi below, very last picture. River taxi is, like, it's made like, a boat. It's actually a boat, like a ferry. It is called a river taxi because normally in Singapore, okay, especially in Singapore, this river taxi is there. Through rivers they used to travel. Okay, you can even see in India, but they go by the name ferry. Okay, here they go by river taxis in Singapore. Okay, they take people from one place to another. These river taxis, they are mostly like, buses, public transports only. Most of the people who goes to work also travel in these type of vehicles only. Okay, so that is all, right. What you all need to do is today's lesson, that you all need to, like, in the blue color box there are some vehicles they have given, transport systems. You all have to categorize them, right, according to water, land, and air. Categorize them. Okay, so you can search for more transport systems in the net or in other magazines, and you can write more also, not only what is there in the box. So that is all we are doing for today. We'll start this lesson again, continue this lesson again the next day. Thank you.